भगवान सत्यनारायण की पवित्र कथा।
So I am going to talk about Bhagwan Satyanarayana Katha. And it has come in Skanda Puran, and Bhagavad Puran, Shiva Puran, Vishnu Puran, Durga Puran, Devi Puran, and one more Puran is Satya Puran. In Skanda Puran, this Bhagavan Sri Krishna is telling about Satyanarayana Katha. And you should learn this in Purnima ke din, in this Purnima day, full moon day.
एकदा नैमिषारण्ये ऋषयः सौनकादयः प्रपूर्छे मुने सर्वे सुतं पौराणिकं खलु ऋषयोचु व्रतेन तपसा किम्यां प्राप्यते वाञ्छितं फलम् तत्सर्वं श्रोतुमिच्छामः कथयस्व महामुने। सोचे रहते हैं नैमिषारण्य तीर्थ है। आज शौनक आदि ऋषि आए।
And Sanaka Rishi came and he asked me, and what is the question?
व्रतेन तपसा किम्यां प्राप्यते वाञ्छितं फलम् तत्सर्वं श्रोतुमिच्छामः कथयस्व महामुने।
In this world, what is the best worship procedure? And by doing what, you will get all those blessings. So then Suchi told that, and as you asked me, and this now, this question also Narad ji asked to Vaikuntha. And whatever Krishna told to Narad, I am going to tell you now.
एक समय वीणा लिए करते हरि गुणगान आए इस संसार में नारद दया निधान।
In this world, Narad came and he came with the kirtan.
करते करते हरि शरणम हरि शरणम हरि शरणम हरि मृत्युलोक में आए।
Came to the world and then he saw the people are suffering.
ततो दृष्ट्वा जनान् सर्वान् नाना क्लेश समन्वितः नाना योनि समुत्पुण्यं पच्यन्ते पाप कर्म भी।
In this world there are a lot of different type of disease and the difficulties, sorrowness, and all these things Narada saw. And then Narad felt very pity, sorrow, and he become crying, why there is so much sorrowness? And how I can make these people happy? Because Narad always thinks good for others. And he is very dear to the God. And why who is dear to God? Because Narad.
पर उपकार बचन मन काया।
What Narad does? And whatever he tells also for good, and whatever he does is good for, and whatever work he does also for the good. And when he saw the people, and he became very, and he thought that why people are so difficulty, and then how I can remove this sorrow. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. How can I do that?
सुखी बसे संसार सब, दुखिया रहे न कोई, ये अभिलाषा हम सब की भगवन पूरी हो। जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय स्वामी, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय नारद जी मन में विचार करने लगे, केन पाए न चैतेषां दुख नाशो भवे ध्रुव।
For a long time, how people are suffering, and how this foreigners will go. And while thinking how to do that, then he reached Lord Krishna, and he pays obeisance to Lord Krishna.
भगवान का बहुत सुंदर स्वरूप है। यत्र नारायणं देवं शुक्लवर्णं चतुर्भुजं शंखं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं। भगवान नारायण लेटे हुए शेष सैया पर नारद जी खड़े हो गए, प्रार्थना करने लगे। दाता दीन बंधु भगवान, बोलो।
दीन बंधु भगवान,
दाता दीन बंधु भगवान, दुखियों पर उन दीनों पर, हे दीन दयालु दया कीजिए, मिट जाए कष्ट उनके जिससे ऐसा उपाय बतला दीजिए।
So, Lord Narayan told that you came from earth and Narad, so the people in the earth, they will be suffering because of their work and their deed. So that's okay, but Narad told that's okay, but how I can help to get people to be free of this sorrow. So please give me the way, how I can give them the mantra or the process, so how they can get rid of this the sorrowness. And so everybody, the world, a lot of people, they are think for themselves, but Narad, the only one who thinks for others. And God likes him who thinks and good for others, and he wants to see this. And Narad is the only one type of person. He always thinks for the good for the others. And God, Narayan told, okay, there is one way, and that process you have to do Satyanarayana Puja. Satyanarayana Puja, if you do this, and then all the sorrow will go. Then Narad told, Prabhu Narayan ji, Satyanarayana Puja? So what they will get doing this puja? And all this sorrowness and so happiness, everything will go. And you will get the wealth and you will get the good health.
Saubhagyam santati-karam sarvatra vijaya-pradam.
So wherever he goes, you will get the victory. Vijay. So then he told, oh Prabhu, Narad told, so please tell me the process. What is the process of doing Satyanarayana Puja? You should keep your mind in control. Never get
मन को वश में रखो उस दिन, भगवान की पूजा के दिन मन को वश में रखना, क्रोध नहीं करना। मन को वश में रखो उस दिन, नारायण से अनुराग करो, हिंसा असत्य मद लोभ मोह काम क्रोध का त्याग करो।
Yeah, when you do the puja, you should never be angry and never be sorry and never think bad about others people. And when you sit in front of the God, so you plus try to meditate. So you think you are concentrated, you are the lotus field of God. Yes, if when you are concentrated, then you will be connected. You will connected to God. And when you are connected to God, and then you will get the blessing. And then your life will be blissful. And that's the process. And then Narad told, when you should do this? You should do it in Purnima, that's full moon day. And today is full moon day, Asra Purnima, today is Asra Purnima. And Mukund is telling that in Vrindavan, oh, Purnima के दिन बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन होता है, या फुल मून। उड़ीसा में लक्ष्मी पूजा,
उड़ीसा में लक्ष्मी पूजा करते हैं। आज हमारे डॉक्टर साहब ने कितना अच्छा काम किया है, सबको एकत्रित किया है पूर्णिमा के दिन।
अभी डॉक्टर साहब भी है
और डॉक्टर उषा भार्गव जी भी पधार गई हैं। नरेश जी की भी जय हो, नरेश जी की भी जय हो, उषा भार्गव जी की भी जय हो। बाकी नीरू जी भी आई हैं, भारती, सब लोग आए हैं,
सबको भी जय।
तो सबकी जय हो। ऐसी शक्ति हमें दे दाता, मन का विश्वास हम चले नेक रास्ते से, फूल धरती खुशी फूल हो। हम चले ऐसी शक्ति हमें देना दाता। क्योंकि विश्वासम फलदायकम, विश्वास पूर्वक कोई कार्य करोगे तो फल मिलेगा।
And when you do work with full faith and devotion, you will get the result. And Narad is told, God, and whatever the day it may be, and whatever the also, and if so long as you are working with devotion and without any desire, you will get the results. And God is always faithful for the devotee. And then the Lord Satyanarayan ki jai. And this is the rule of the temple that we should do Satyanarayana Kathana full moon day. And today I am doing this puja. And Narada, who tells? And the Brahman who did the puja is called Satyanand. He is Brahmin. And he always maintained his family with begging. And so he is also very old, he cannot walk. So, and whenever he fell down, he told, yes, yeah. And then he told that, what is God's told, what is your name? So, then why you are sorrow? And why you are sorry? And God asked, have you done any good work? Have you done any brata? And have you do some charity work? No. No, because you didn't do any of this good work, so that's why you are sorry. And God told that there is one process that is Satyanarayana Puja. And then Brahmin determined that whatever I get the money from this puja today, I am going to give this to God. And whenever he finished this puja, the worship, and then when he finished the puja and went back, and then he found this a lot of things. His house become old, and so a lot of people give some donations, and then he become very rich. And then he did some puja, and then God is very happy. Then Lord Narayan told Lakshmi, so give them all the wealth. And when he worship Lakshmi Narayan, then he become rich. And then he build us a big temple. And whenever there is a rule that whenever you have this deity installation, you should do the worship, you should do the puja. And while the puja, then this person came with wood, and then he asked, oh, here there is a small hut, but how it can become big palace? So, and then he told that is my God.
मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, जो कुछ भी है तोर, तेरा तुझको सौंपता, या लगे।
And this is all God's gift. And then he told that, okay, I am also struggling with the wood. And then the Brahmin told that, okay, so then if you want, I am giving the process. So whatever the money you get by selling the wood, you should do the Satyanarayana Puja. And then he sell a lot of money by selling the woods, and then he did the puja. And then while doing this puja, he become also rich, and then he become very rich. And then after enjoying his life, he went to heaven. So just this is the end of second chapter. And third chapter, there is a name. The king was there. His name is Ulkamuk. Ulkamuk, the king, does not have a child. And then he also got this instruction. He did the puja, Satyanarayana Puja, and then because of this puja, he got this child. And then he also, while doing the puja, their businessman came and he told that, so what I can get is out of this. Then she told that, okay, see, this is I got the whole palace because of God's blessings. And then I will also do this puja and I will also become rich one day. And then, so the king told her, okay. So he took the prasad and then he went home. And then after 10 months, he got a girl. And the girl, they give also the name, and everything was having good life. So they have a nice life. And then his wife told, oh, the businessman, that please do this because you do it or promise to do the puja for your daughter. And then he told, no, I want to do after the marriage. And his wife told, no, so you should promise you should do the puja. And then slowly the girls become also adult, and then she got married, but still he didn't do the puja. And his wife told, you promised and you now not keeping your promise. And then the son-in-law, and then he went to the business with his son-in-law.
दिननी के बीते जाते हैं, के बीते जाते सारपुरी में आई, और वहां क्या हुआ, भगवान ने देखा, भ्रष्ट प्रतिज्ञा महालोक्यम शापम दाम प्रदत्तवान दारुणम कठिनम चास्यम महादुःखम भविष्यति। क्योंकि जब जीव को दुख नहीं होता वो भगवान को स्मरण नहीं करता, ऐसा विचार करके।
So when you don't have problem, you don't remember God. And then the thief came with some material from the kingdom, and then they left, and then he was caught, and then so he put on the jail, and then his house also people took money from the house, so he lost from there and here. And then his wife daughter came and get the prasad from another puja, and then her mother told that, oh, these things your father got this prasad sometimes, and he told to do the puja, but he didn't do that. And so he told that he promised to do Satyanaरायण puja, but he didn't do that.
दुख हरो जगन्नाथ शरण में तेरी, दुख आज महाराज लाज गई मेरी, दुख हरो जगन्नाथ तेरी, दुख हरो
And then he pressed God, and then he told her, okay, so now God listened to his prayer, and then he released his father. So then he told her, okay, so he told that, okay, God gave the permission to the king that please let these two people go. And then because since Raja got this dream, then he gave them released and then give them a lot of clothes and whatever they think. And like that, please say Satyanarayana Prabhu ki jai. And now he got everything, the whole boat was full of gold. And this both father and son-in-law, they are sitting in the boat. And then while going, the God thought, let me test what he is doing. So then God came as a Brahmin. And then he asked, okay, he put to give me some food. And then the businessman told, oh, so I don't have anything, I have all the grass and stone in my boat. But the boat was having gold. And God told that horse, what is this? And he is telling a lie. Now his boat is full of gold and he is saying, no. Satyam bhavatu tehi vacham. Tehi vacham. So then God told that, he didn't tell that he is supposed to know, you should get all bad things, but he told that whatever you told, that let it be true. And then God also left, and then when he went and see the boat, that's all become stone and grass. And what I am saying is all gold is gone. And his son-in-law was intelligent, and he told Papaji, and this Brahmin came and he asked for like some food, and you didn't give him anything, but then you told a lie. And then he started running, and he told, and Bhagavan was sitting there, he is doing the meditation. Then
सबके प्राणपति किस विध मिलूं दयालु तुमको मैं कुमति तुम करुणा के सागर तुम पालन करता मैं मूर्ख खल कामी कृपा करो भरता मैं मूर्ख मैं खल मैं कामी मैंने गलती की प्रभु को
I am the foolish, and please excuse me. And the God was laughing. Then he told that, you will not do this mistake. And then God excused him. And then the boat became again full of gold. And then when he came back, this village was everybody happy. Everybody said, oh, businessmen come back, business come back. So, and told your families that he has come back. And there is a wife also that is weeping. So then says, everybody is happy. And then she was sitting in the puja, and then they left the puja. But and never leave the puja. So that's the lesson.
Rama Govind Hari Bhajore man Rama Govind
And God told that he's doing the puja and he left the puja. And then the boat was not seen like that. And this is just only for payment. and the businessman was very worried, and then he started praying and meditate. God, please help me, please excuse me. And then he got the word from God that your wife has disrespected me. And then he went running to his wife, and then he did the puja, he told his wife, then again everything came back, and then the son is become right, and then everybody is happy. And then yes, so here's sorry. Anki Jai, Ki Jai. And the last chapter is only 5 minutes, and there is another king. So then he lost the road, and then she saw that there's a puja going on under the tree.
बालों ने प्रसाद लाकर राजा को दिया, राजन ये भगवान का प्रसाद.
And then he disrespected, he didn't respect the puja, and then he didn't take the prasad because it is ego, because everybody has their ego, like the businessman is I am rich, and somebody beautiful has a ego, I am also another ego, and so that's why everybody has their ego. Since he disrespected Lord Narayan, and then he has to suffer. And then when he see that the kingdom, the whole palace, the flag went down, and everything is become bad. And then the priest came, and he told that there's something wrong happened today. And then he remembered that today he has disrespected, and that somebody was offered me prasad, but I didn't take. So I did something wrong there. So then he could not sleep whole night, and then some morning he got up and did everybody called everybody and performed the Satyanarayana puja.
बन में भक्ति करी अनवांछित फल दीना दीन दयाल हरि.
And so when he did the puja, so everybody become happy, and then everything come to normal. In this Kali Yuga, people don't have much time, but you have to do Satyanarayana puja. Even if only if you just listen, then you get a lot of holiness. So when it goes to your heart, everything become clean. Just listening to the story is like a purified water from Ganga.
कलियुग में विशेष महत्व है. सोची कहते हैं विशेषता कलियुगे लघु उपायोस्ति भूतले. सबसे लघु उपाय, सबसे छोटा उपाय है भगवान श्री सत्यदेव की पूजा. जो भी करेगा निश्चित ही सुखी होगा. अगले जन्म में सदानंद नाम के ब्राह्मण सुदामा हुए, लकड़ी बेचने वाला केवट हुआ, राजा उल्कामुख दशरथ हुए, साहूकार वरध्वज बना, और दुग्ध्वज नाम के राजा शंभु मन हुए. आइए श्रीमन नारायण 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 स्वामी की। इस प्रकार से भगवान सत्यनारायण जी कथा पूरी हुई।